Hello everyone, this is Cubastic and this is 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I think everyone knows that Rubik's Cube has 6 sides. Let's do the math, just in case. Here we have white, blue, yellow, green, orange and red. That is 6 faces. And what do you say if I told you that I have a Rubik's Cube with 3 faces? It sounds weird, but you have to see it yourself. This is the Rubik's Cube that has only 3 faces. If we look at it, there's yellow, blue and red, and that's it, just 3. But after all, as you can see, there are as many details there as in a regular Rubik's Cube. This kind of a mechanical puzzle is called a shape mode, and it can be different. Like I also have this kind of a shape mode where there is not clear at all how many sides this cube has. But the white is flat, the yellow is flat, and on each of the other 4 sides there are only 6 details. But in a normal situation there should be 9 details on each side. So today I'm going to show you these 2 wonderful shape modes and we're going to try to solve them. Let's start with this cube. A lot of people call it a barrel cube because it's shaped like a barrel. Really, like a barrel, I don't know what to call it, so let's call it so. Well, it's really special. It has a very important feature because absolutely all the corners here are rounded off. So there are no sharp corners. But here we have flat sides, white and yellow, and it's good because we usually start solving Rubik's Cube with white side. Another feature is that when we try to scramble this Rubik's Cube, even make a couple of movements, it already changes its shape. So that's the complexity of these puzzles, that if we scramble them, they lose their shape and look like this. And the third thing is that, as I said, there are 6 details, so you can see the side consists of a main color, and it's already starting on this side. For example, the color of the next face starts on the green side and so forth, as if the face isn't finished. So our job is not just to solve a Rubik's Cube shape, as you can see it changes, but also its color. And I've already started scrambling this Rubik's Cube, and as you can see, the shape and the colors are actually changing so much that it's hard to recognize the barrel cube. By the way guys, you can find puzzles from today's video at the Cubicle store. This is my favorite online puzzle store where you can find incredible puzzles, Rubik's Cubes, awesome shape modes and accessories for speedcubers. By the way, did you hear about GAN 13? Pay attention. The link to the store is in the description under this video. And don't forget to use my promo code CUBASTIC to get a discount. Well, while I'm solving it, write down if you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, because if you don't, I would really like to teach you. So subscribe to this channel, where you can find one of the best tutorials on the internet on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and many videos with some other puzzles. I'm sure that you will definitely like such content. Well, we have a scrambled barrel cube, and let's try to solve it. But let's also time it to make the process more interesting. I have a stopwatch here, I press, let go the finger off, and let's start solving. That's it, here we will see my result in the end. First we solve the cross. I think it's not a problem for those who can solve the cube, especially since the white side is complete. Here we have the cross, and that's where we start. Now what I want to do is to fill these 4 positions with the white details. Well, we fill these 4 positions with white. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are already getting some shape, and look, if we don't take in account these 2 top layers, it's like it already turns out that this first layer is solved. Then you put the edge details here, but the difficulty is that they don't have 2 colors. like here for example. This element here has, you see, both orange and green at the same time, so we can figure out which side to put. Here, this detail has only one color, and we don't know how to put it, this way or sideways. So there may be complications, but it's okay. I'll try to put it. Okay? Well, look, I've already done something wrong here, because the orange starts here and I should have put it here. So here's the green, here's the red, and here's the blue. Let the blue go here. The blue goes here. The orange have to be here, but it is there. Let's kick it out and put it here. It's in place. So there's something coming up. Red has to go here. And green is the last one here. There is, so we've got 2 layers now. Look, there's only one left, and we need to solve the yellow face. Let's do this. The yellow side is complete, and then we have to figure out if we have the right centers. Look, we have our centers wrong. Could it be so? Yep. We have to move it this way. As you can see here, the blue matches, the green is there, but the orange and the red have to be reversed. I suggest we do it this way. So, look, we have in place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 details. Now we need to figure out which ones to move. Let's not move these red ones. Let's make an algorithm that doesn't move them and see what happens. Huh! We picked the right algorithm, and pretty quickly, in 3 minutes, just knowing how to solve a 3x3 cube, I solved this 3x3 barrel cube. The interesting thing is that I just remembered how it looked when it was solved, and when it was scrambled, I had no difficulty. So, if you know how to solve 3x3, you can solve any kind of shape mode. Some will certainly be easier, the other more difficult, but if you can solve a normal 3x3 cube, you will be able to solve other versions of it. Now it's going to be a little bit more complicated, or it's going to be a little bit simpler. This is a 3-sided Rubik's Cube, so let's look at it now. Well, it's 3-sided, see? It's got this weird shape. I mean, it looks like a cube, but every second edge here, as you can see, is not an edge. It looks like that. I don't know how to call it. What do we call it? Why are you looking at me? Tell me. What do we call it when it's not sharp? When the edge is rounded off? Okay, so basically the edges that we have here are rounded off, so they are not sharp, they have this arc. So let's scramble this cube and see how it behaves. So strange, I'm scrambling the cube and I only see 3 colors. Usually when I scramble an ordinary cube, I see more colors, and they are more conspicuous, more noticeable, and when I scramble this one, I see only 3 colors. I want to see more, but so far only 3. But there's a problem. I didn't remember what it looked like in the beginning. Well, that would be more interesting. We solved the previous cube in 3 minutes, now we will see how we do here. Jeez, there's no white, where to start? I'm used to starting with white. Okay, let's try to solve one of the yellow faces. There are 2 of them here, like one that interflows into another. 3, 2, 1, go. There's got to be some, a situation like this. There's gotta be a corner somewhere, and there shouldn't be a corner somewhere. Oh, here's a situation. That's got to be a cross that's solved so that the neighboring sides are the same. So the red is here and red is here, and we have to look for 2 red centers, right here. Now this is the right thing to do, and then we will have a red arc here. And that's that tabby detail. It's not an arc. Where's it? There it is. It should be there. Oh no! This one should be there, look. Do you see? Let's have it here, and then we'll have these 2 sides coming together. So we're going to build blocks. We're going to solve not layers, but blocks. This block is already solved. As you can see, the red goes into the red. It's clear, but I don't yet know where the yellow will go. I don't know it yet. The yellow should go this way or this way. But in case that we have yellow center here, the yellow side is going to flow here, which is there I need to put the arc, and then there's going to be some sort of red and yellow situation. Here, it will flow here. Well, then we should put the usual red-yellow edge here. Usual like this. So look, it works already. We got red coming in here, yellow coming in here, and there's got to be a sharp corner here. There will be a corner element that has a corner, and it will be yellow and blue, by the way. My favorite color combination, yellow and blue. Oh, which one should go here? If the yellow is going to flow to yellow, we should do like this. This goes here. Okay, that's good. Okay, and it seems all that is left is this corner element. There it is. There's the difficulty in that. By the way, look, I've got a little bit of a go. I've got a question about the fact that there are several details that are the same, and they may not be where I want them to. For example, we have a red-blue edge and another red-blue edge. Tell me where each of them belongs, because if I mix them up, the cube just won't be solved. Okay, let's try this combination. I don't even know how to do it. How? It's not working. Subscribe and turn on all notifications, because in one of the following videos I'm going to solve all Rubik's Cube's fruits: banana, orange, apple, lemon and pear. Don't miss that video. Okay, well, looking at the blue at the top, let's flip these two edges. Now we have all the blue edges here, and then, when I don't know what to do, I make a fish. See? Fish is an algorithm, if you don't know. And what happened? I knew that we will have parity. Parity is a situation that I don't know how to solve, and as you can see, this cube is already harder because it's 4 minutes on the timer. In the meantime, I'd like you to write in the comments what time you think I'll be done. So, as I know, for those of you who know how to solve a cube, there's no algorithm that can just swap only 2 details. You have to change at least 3 or even 4. And to do that, I have to find the same elements that I can swap. And I have the same details, like these 2 yellow-red edges, red-red, yellow, yellow, yellow. And these 2. Then I can swap these 2 and these 2. So let's think how to do it. I have an idea.
Maybe you have to do U-perm?
I'm already doing it.
No, turn it up.
U-perm here? And what will happen? I'm now using the tips of our cameraman and he tells me something wrong. And it's already 6 minutes on the timer. If you want to see a video with Andrew, who is standing behind the camera now, write about it in the comments. I will make him film a video for you. That's it. And this is the same situation. 1, 2, 3. And then I have to get my setup move back. I switched places with the setup move, and now I have to find a way to get it back. No. No. Oh, I think I made some mistakes here. So what? Yeah, boys and girls, I did something wrong. That's it, returned! Yes, look, I solved it in 7 minutes 10 seconds. Yeah, the ending of this video is a bit lax. I didn't really understand how I did it, but the fingers and brain remember algorithms, so folks, today we have looked at some of the shape modes of a 3x3 cube, if I can call it that. And it's pretty awesome that if you can solve a standard Rubik's Cube, you can then solve any variation of a 3x3 cube. So you have to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and if you can't do it yet, then subscribe to the channel. There are lots of lessons on how to solve 3x3 cube. Support me, this is really important to me, and watch other videos on my channel. Well, that was Cubastic. This is the Cubastic channel. Bye everyone and have a good time. It seems to me now that this cube has no edges at all. Illusion.